I'm Dr. Jen from Family Pet Veterinary Centers and Animal Dentistry Referral Services. And I'm here today to talk to you about cat dentistry. Natalie is my assistant and she has some questions that she's going to help interview and ask, hopefully to answer some questions you might all have.
Dr. Jen, what is involved in cat dental care?
Cat dental care. Well, cat dental care means removing the plaque and tartar from the teeth before it has developed a kitty cavity or other painful condition. Problem is, a lot of those things are unseen. And so essentially the way to do that is to have annual anesthetic dental procedures. That's every year, which can sound like a lot, but we can talk more about that.
How does dental health impact the overall health and well-being of my cat?
That's a good question. So overall health, we know that dogs, and the same should apply to cats, we just have a study on dogs, live 20% longer when they have annual anesthetic dental procedures compared with ones that don't. We also know that cats that have healthy mouths tend to have less incidence of kidney problems and other sort of things. So when you keep the mouth healthy, you keep other areas of the body healthy. The other thing we have to consider, maybe you're going to ask that, and I'm going to gloss on about it now, but is that when we're talking about teeth, when you look at a cat's teeth, if they'll let you look, you're only looking at about a third of each tooth, 2/3 underneath the gum line. And the way to see that is with a type of x-ray. Either an intraoral x-ray, kind of like your dentist puts a sensor in your mouth and has you take a picture. Now, I don't even want to bite on that little sensor so that it holds it still. No cat is going to do that, so we have to do under anesthesia. The other thing we do in this office is we have 3D imaging so we can get answers faster and in more detail.
What types of dental care should I be giving my cat at home?
Types of dental care at home. So at home, there are, we have a separate video to watch on all the types of care. The simple answer is choose what's doable. So what you can do in your household, because we can choose things that are specialized foods. There isn't an over-the-counter food that's actually successful. Then there are specialized treats. Then we have ones that are just 1 calorie a piece. There are special diets. And there are wipes. And if you could just pick one, 10 seconds a day with a wipe or brushing, especially just wipe, it makes it easy, is all that's needed every day. And that will reduce the chance of problems, because a cat has about about 40% chance of having a problem the following year. But if you do brushing daily, it's only about 15%. So you've dropped the risk over double. So.
What are some signs and symptoms of issues with oral health in my cat?
A lot of them won't show any signs or symptoms, and that is the concern. And so the best way to figure things out is to have annual dental care. We don't want to wait until it gets bad and things actually have bone loss that's irreversible. We want to get to it sooner. You may see redness that's painful, but we want to get to it before that if we can. We may see bad breath, but most cats hide disease, and 80% of cats have painful problems that are hidden with no outward signs.
How do veterinarians diagnose dental problems in cats?
So we can guess when we look at the mouth when they're awake, but it's only a guess. And that's missing things about 80% of the time, according to one study. Another study around 30% of the time. Either way, still missing things. And it depends on which things that they were studying. That's why there's a big range. So essentially 3D imaging or intraoral x-rays under anesthesia to look at what's below the gum line will tell us what's really going on. That's how we diagnose it. And we do an oral exam that's thorough under anesthesia as well. You'd be surprised what you can find when they're sleeping and they're allowing you to do whatever you need to do.
What are some possible conditions caused by my poor cat dental care, and what are the treatments?
Conditions for untreated dental care. Untreated dental care results in cavities and bone loss, and the treatment is typically extraction. Unfortunately, cats kind of like to lose teeth, but then without a tooth, they're better. They don't have a painful tooth anymore, and now they can have a healthier mouth. And potentially, eventually, some cats get to the point where they don't have any teeth. Well, they can still eat hard food even if they didn't have teeth. Other things that we know that cats with bad teeth are at increased risks for kidney issues, heart issues, things like that. Thanks for joining us. And if you have other questions, send us a text or an email, and we're happy to respond. Thanks.